Hello! Good morning, class. I am Marjorie M. Sibilia, but you can call me Teacher Marjorie. And I will be your teacher today in science. Before we proceed our lesson, let's review our previous lesson yesterday. What is previous lesson yesterday? Correct. The previous lesson yesterday is about urinary system, male reproductive system, and female reproductive system. Let's now proceed our lesson topic for today. But first, let me present to you this activity. In this activity, you will be identifying the right word that has been jumbled letter. Number 1, correct, bone. Number 2, correct, bone marrow. Number 3, correct, muscles. Number 4, correct, body. And number 5, correct, skeleton. Based on the activity we did with jumbled letters, our topic today is about skeletal system, immune system, and muscular system. Children, are you ready to see the skeletal system, immune system, and muscular system? Okay, here is the picture. The adult human skeletal system consists of 206 bones as well as a network of tendons, ligaments, and cartilage that connects them. Here is the picture of the tendons. A tendon is a strong, flexible band of fibrous tissues that connects muscles to bones. When a muscle contracts, the tendon transmits the force to the bone, allowing movement of that body part. For example, the Achilles tendon in the heel helps us walk, run, and stand. Here is the picture of the ligaments. A ligament is a strong band of fibrous connective tissue that connects bone to bone at a joint. Its main function is to provide stability, support, and limit excessive movement, preventing dislocation of injury. For example, the anterior cruciate ligament or ACL in the knee helps stabilize the joint during movement. Here is the picture of the cartilage. A cartilage is a tough but flexible type of connective tissue found in fibrous parts of the body. It acts as a cushion between bones to prevent friction and absorb shock in the joint. It also provides shape and support to structures like a nose, ears, and joints. For example, the knee cartilage helps us move smoothly without pain or bone grinding. So, the skeletal system performs vital functions, supports movement, protection, blood cell production, calcium storage, and endocrine regulation that enable us to move through our daily lives. It's not only about human skeletal system, it also includes animals with internal skeletons. It's called vertebrates and invertebrates. The difference between vertebrates and invertebrates is that vertebrates are animals that have a backbone or spinal column, while invertebrates are animals that do not have a backbone. Children, are you still listening? Very good. Now let's move to the immune system. Here's the picture of the immune system. This small organ is where T cells mature. The immune system has 6 things that we need to learn. Number 1, the lymph nodes. The lymph nodes, small bean-shaped structures that produce and store cells that fight infection and disease and are part of the lymphatic system, which consists of bone marrow, spleen, thymus, and lymph nodes. Lymph nodes also contain lymph, the clear fluid that carries those cells to different parts of the body. When the body is fighting infections, lymph nodes can become enlarged and feel sore. Number 2, the spleen, the largest lymphatic organ in the body, contains white blood cells that fight infection or disease. The spleen also helps control the amount of blood in the body and disposes of old or damaged blood cells. Number 3, the bone marrow. The yellow tissue in the center of the bones produces white blood cells. Number 4, the lymphocytes. These small white blood cells play a large role in defending the body against disease. The two types of lymphocytes are B cells, which make antibodies that attack bacteria and toxins, and T cells, which help destroy infected or cancerous cells. Killer T cells are a subgroup of T cells that kill cells that are infected with viruses and other pathogens or are otherwise damaged. Helper T cells help determine which immune responses the body makes to a particular pathogen. Number 5, the thymus. The thymus is a small gland located in the upper chest, just behind the breastbone. It plays a very important role in immune system because it is where T cells, a type of white blood cell, mature and develop. These T cells are responsible for identifying and fighting harmful germs, infections, and even cancer cells. The thymus is most active during childhood and early teenage years, but it slowly shrinks as we grow older. And last, the leukocytes. The leukocytes or white blood cells are an important part of the immune system. They act as the body's defenders against infections, disease, and harmful invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Leukocytes move through the blood and tissues, searching for pathogens to attack and destroy. Children, let us now move on the muscular system. Here's the picture of the muscular system. In the muscular system, there are 5 important things that we need to learn. First, pectoral muscles. The pectoral muscles are large muscles located in the chest area. Their main function is to help move the shoulders and arms. For example, when you push, lift, or hug, you are using your pectoral muscles. They also support breathing by assisting the rib cage when you inhale deeply. Number 2, deltoid. The deltoid is muscles in the large triangular shape muscle found at the top of the shoulder. Its main function is help to lift the arm and move it in the different directions, forward, backward, and sideways. The deltoid also gives the shoulder its rounded shape and helps protect the shoulder joint. Number 3, the biceps. The biceps are muscles located to the front part of the upper arm. Their main functions is to bend the arm at the elbow and help lift to pull objects. The biceps also play a role in turning the hand or palm upward, which is called supination. Number 4, quadriceps. The quadriceps are a group of 4 strong muscles located at the front of the thigh. Their main function is to straighten the leg at the knee, which helps us walk, run, jump, and stand up from a sitting position. The quadriceps are very important for movements that require strength and stability in the legs. Number 5, gastrocnemius. The gastrocnemius is the large muscles found at the back part of the lower leg, commonly known as the calf muscle. Its main function is to help point the toes downward, like when standing on the tiptoes, and to assist in walking, running, and jumping. It works together with other leg muscles to move the foot and ankle. So children, remember, the skeletal system gives support. The immune system defends the body to keep bones and muscles healthy. And the muscular system allows movements. Now, we are ready to move on. Now, let's check how you will understand our lesson. Get your notebook and copy this question and answer. Are you done, class? Very good. And for your assignment, copy this in your assignment notebook and pass it to the next meeting. Okay, class, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.